Hey everyone! If you've been wondering how to download all your photos from Google Drive in 2025, this quick step-by-step guide will make it super easy for you. So let's get started. When you open your Google Drive, you probably notice that it's full of everything: documents, videos, PDFs, and images all mixed together. The tricky part is separating only the photos you actually want to download. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First, go to the top of your Drive window and click on the Type Filter option. From there, select Photos and Images. The moment you do this, Google Drive automatically filters and shows only your image files, things like JPGs, PNGs, and other photo formats. Now, to download all of them at once, just click anywhere on the blank space beside your images and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will select every single photo displayed. Next, simply right-click on any selected photo and choose Download. Google Drive will automatically start creating a zip file containing all your selected images. Depending on your internet speed and how many photos you have, it might take a minute or two, so just hang tight while it prepares the file. Once the download finishes, open the zip file from your Downloads folder, and there you have it. All your Google Drive photos neatly saved to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded all your images from Google Drive without any extra tools or confusion. If this guide helped you out, make sure to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.